Stephanie. Carlton have a project, you see, where need $100 million to save. Knowing Carlton, I'm going to find it some way.
Okay. I have an idea of where he might try to get his hands on that cash. But don't worry about that. I'll get to that. You just find a way to ensure that we get our hands on that project.
Don't worry yourself. I depend on that. You see? As a matter of fact, the investors are on our side.
Good. Now, Trevor, next time, don't turn up to our place of business unannounced. Okay? Call first.
Sandra Stephanie. I don't even know who that are. Jason, bless up yourself. Wagwan. Tell me something. Wagwan with Carlton. Yeah, I know that. So what you suggest me do? Alright. Alright, cool. Alright, me I gotta do that. That sound like a plan. Alright, now watch no face. Me shout. Yeah man, bless up yourself. Alright. Yeah. Carlton. The game start.
Yo.
Yo, know that car there?
No, sir, I'm my people, you know, bro.
Where they look like police?
Greetings.
Greetings, Melda.
Want a refill?
Anything.
Moment. Me a hot jack and pull up at them couple of minutes.